custard is too hot. Let's cool it down. The steamed egg custard smells so great. Jojo can't wait to have a try. Let's feed him.
Juice! Juice!
Jojo wants to have some juice. Let's make a glass of juice for apple, kiwi fruit, orange, wow! The sweet juice is ready. Jojo wants to play with toys. Let's play with him. Toys in the toy room. Which toy should we play with? Let's put the toys together. It's a little windmill. Let's assemble it. The little windmill starts spinning. It looks great. Jojo is having so much fun. But his diaper is dirty. Let's give him a bath. Jojo can't wait to take a bath. He looks uncomfortable in the dirty diaper. Let's help Jojo take off his dirty diaper first. Let's add some fragrant lotion that guard against heat rash and rough skin. Let's apply some soap to wash Jojo cleaner. Jojo is done with the bath. Let's put on a new diaper for him. Jojo looks so comfortable. Jojo needs to go to bed. Let's take him to his room. Jojo should drink some milk before going to bed so he can grow up faster. Please get Jojo a glass of milk. Let's add some warm water first. Then, pour in the milk powder. Shake the bottle to mix it well. The milk is ready. Listen, Jojo's stomach is growling. Let's give the milk to him. Let's tuck Jojo in so he won't catch a cold. have a sweet dream listening to soothing music. You've taken such good care of Jojo. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Mommy got a cold. Please help me take care of Jojo. Jojo wants to play with toys. Let's play. There are so many toys in the toy room. Which toy should we play with? Let's put the toys together. This is Jojo's favorite little train. Let's put it together. Choo-choo! The little train gets moving. Jojo is hungry. Let's make him something to eat in the kitchen.
Rice paste! Rice paste!
Jojo wants to have rice paste. Then let's make a bowl of rice paste. Let's cool the rice paste down. Jojo can't wait any longer. Let's feed him rice paste.